Imagine this: if you are a sick child to a single parent, and your mother is taking care of you, taking care of all your needs, medically and otherwise. But her care for you is turning into an obsession. So much so that instead of feeling love and care, you start fearing her, resenting her. What would you do? You would want to run away. Well, that's the movie that I'm going to review today for you in this new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. The movie is called Run. It's streaming on Netflix and it stars Sarah Paulson as the mother and the debutant actor Kiera Allen as a daughter. The movie starts with Sarah Paulson giving birth to a very premature baby, and the doctors are trying their best to make sure the baby lives. And then the story moves to 17 years down, where she is now taking care of this teenage girl, Kiera Allen, who suffers from multiple ailments. Firstly, she's not able to walk; her legs are numb, so she uses wheelchair, and she inside the home. She suffers from diabetes, has heart ailments, has asthma, so multiple diseases, and so she's on constant medication. And Sarah Paulson actually takes care of her medical as well as all the other needs. So she's actually living in a secluded place outside the town. She has set up her own vegetable garden where she grows vegetables and cooks special diet for her. She controls her diet. She doesn't want her to eat too many chocolates and other things because of diabetes. And she's also homeschooling her. She doesn't want her to attend school, so she basically has her homeschooled. Now the daughter is very intelligent. She wants to get admission into a university for higher studies, so she applies to multiple universities, and she's very keen to hear back from the universities. So every time there's a postman who comes to deliver post, she gets very excited. She wants to know whether the post contains a letter from the university and giving a status of her application. But every time the postman comes, the mother collects all the posts and informs her that there is no post from the university, and if at all the post comes, she will inform her. Now slowly she starts suspecting her mother for this, because every time the postman comes, she doesn't allow him to access the postman. She collects the post and informs her about this, and she starts doubting whether her mother is giving her the true information or is she hiding something. Now one day the mother comes back from the town with groceries, and she keeps the groceries on her table and she goes out to attend a phone call. And the daughter actually wants to steal some chocolates from the grocery because she doesn't want her mother to know, and her mother controls her diet, so she wants to eat the chocolates whenever she likes to eat them. So she tries to steal the chocolates, and at that time she notices something in the grocery box which arouses a suspicion. And that later that suspicion gets even more confirmed when she starts taking some new medications that her mother has brought in after the doctors had changed the prescription. And now the daughter is really curious. And thereafter, the movie is all about the daughter trying to find out what's happening with her, why her mother is behaving the way she is behaving. Is she really sick? Is there more to it than what it seems to her? And it's a fantastic psychological thriller. It's an excellent movie where you get to understand the human emotions of what's going on in the daughter's mind in terms of the conflict in her mind about her mother, and whether she really is taking care of her, or is there something else playing with her mother. Trying to be very obsessed about her care and not allowing her access to anything else. And the mother has this dual thing. She loves her, she cares her, but then she also has a very obsessive mindset, almost to the verge of being sinister in taking care of her. So it's a fantastic duel, something that I'm sure if you like psychological thrillers, you will truly enjoy it. In terms of performances, Sarah Paulson as the mother is absolutely fabulous. She's a very good actress. You would have seen her in People vs. O.J. Simpson and also the series Ratched that I reviewed for you. So she's fantastic as the mother. And the debutant actor Kiera Allen also is fantastic in this movie. She come across as this really young teenage girl who's suffering from multiple ailments, and then later she's basically conflicted about her interactions with her mother's behavior towards her, and she truly wants to find out what's going on. So if you are if you like psychological thrillers, if you like movies where there is this constant tussle to find out the truth, and there's a suspense element to it, then I would strongly recommend go check this out. This is a good movie to watch, and I'm sure you will like it. The movie is called Run, and it's streaming on Netflix. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and sharing your feedback, and also sharing your suggestions. I've got quite a few of them which are in my list to see and review. I look forward to bring more interesting reviews for you. Take care of yourselves. Till next time, bye bye.